Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make clear slime. So first, I already got this mixed up. I got clear glue, glycerin, and water mixed up in here. So now I'm going to be showing you like how much stuff ice activator or detergent to put in it. So I'm going to be using some Tide Free and Gentle detergent. If I can open it. Okay, so I got my detergent in here. Okay, so now, now I'm going to be adding just a little bit of detergent at a time. So then, okay, so I added it. So anyway, now so now you just keep on adding the detergent until it forms, but you really don't want to add too much. But if you add too much, you can also, if you add too much, you can add glycerin or water. Okay, so I would recommend mixing a little slowly. But it's okay. It's just the faster you mix, the more bubbles get in it. So anyway, I'm going to just keep on adding detergent until it forms. It's okay if there's bubbles in it, because when there's bubbles in it... Okay, so now, as you can see, it's starting to form. The bubbles will come out of it anyway, if you just let it sit there. So it's okay if you get bubbles in it. I feel like it's a little better to mix faster, but, you know.
I need your...
Okay, so now...
Okay, what? Can you just...
So, okay. So, I'm going to mix my slime. So now...
85 out of 100.
Okay.
Cool.
So, anyway... So I'm going to, I know I'm not mixing very slowly, but I like to mix faster because it seems to look better. Okay. Oh. I'm gonna get a little bit more detergent. Oh, that was a lot more detergent. So, I find this turning out pretty nice. You can always go back and add more water or glue or anything if you think you added too much or not enough. Ah!
Do you have to
so, see how it's forming a lot? I don't want to add too much detergent because it's not very good with too much detergent. Okay. As you can see, it turned white, if you didn't already know, because of all the bubbles in it. So when you let it sit out for a while, or just not play with it for a while, then the bubbles will get out of it. Okay, I got a different setup now. So here's my slime. And you can always go back and add a little bit more water. That's what I'm going to do because I said clear jiggly slime. It's not that jiggly. So I'm going to add some more water. If you didn't already know, if you want it really jiggly, then add more water. If you just want like a pretty nice slime, you can just add a little bit of water. If you don't want it that jiggly, or you don't have to add any. So, okay, so this is turning out pretty nice. As you can see, you can just keep on adding water until you like it. So, there's a little yellow in it.
That was a quiz, right?
Uh-huh. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's this so far. I've been adding a little bit of water at a time and mixing it in. So if you add too much water, you can just add a little bit more detergent so it will be more activated. There's a little bit of green in there. So anyway, I got this, and it's, as you can see, it's melted or whatever because I put a bunch of water, which is okay. So now I'm going to add some detergent to activate it so it's not all melted. I'm gonna add a little bit. And if you overactivate it, you can also add glycerin if I didn't already say that. Okay, so here's these so far. It's not that jiggly, but it's still actually kind of jiggly. So it's turning out actually pretty nice. Ooh. So here it is. It's actually really nice. I like it. It actually is kind of jiggly. Whoa. So yeah, it's actually really nice, and I would recommend getting just some clear glue. You can just even get this. This is from Office Depot, I think, Office Depot, and it's so just letting you know. It turns out really nice. I really like using detergent. If you haven't already tried using detergent,